What's up everybody, just a quick video to show you how to easily share your Airbnb listing from desktop and from the Airbnb app. So desktop, it's very easy. You go to host, you go to listings. So when you get to the listings overview, you simply go all the way to the right. There's the three dots that you want to click on, and there's the preview option that you want to select. So now you get to see a preview of your listing, and then you'll find a share button. So you click the share button and then you can share your listing to Facebook, Twitter, email, Messenger, or you can simply copy the link or even embed. All right, so how to share your Airbnb listing from the Airbnb app. It's quite simple as well. Just open the Airbnb app and then you go to listings. And then you select the listing that you want to share, and then in the top right corner you'll see a little share button, and when you click it, again you can share email, SMS, copy link, iMessage, Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, and even more options that you can choose from your iPhone. So that's how you share your listing. Hope you like this video. For more information on Airbnb hosting, go to getpaidforyourpet.com.